Hello guys, welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to show you how to create new channel on YouTube. But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video. If you doesn't have account on YouTube or any Gmail account, you can create your own account. So you can go to youtube.com and here you see signed in, and here is create account, and we need select it's for yourself or for manage your business. So you need select what type of account will be for you. I select for myself. And you need type your first name, last name, enter address, email, and set some password. When you supplement this, you're creating account on YouTube, on Google accounts, and you can simply create your channel. It's very simple. You need to select this button with your avatar and go to settings option. Here's button add or manage your channels. Like you see here, I have a couple of accounts, a couple of it's myself, couple is for my brand. So to create new channel, simply push this button, create a new channel, and type the name. In my case, will be relaxing music. And push button create. And like you see, that's all. You have ready your first channel on YouTube, and now you can simply upload a video and starting share your content. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see in the next one.